Jingle bells, bells, bells,
Piano in the bell, 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 bell,
bells. Jingle bell,
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new, my name is Natalie. Thank you so much for stopping by. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below your favorite thing about Christmas. Today's video is going to be this holiday inspired makeup look, and I love how it came out. I don't think I've really done like silver too much in my makeup tutorials on my channel. I think I did maybe one, but it was more of like an icy blue silver, so I kind of like just got out of my comfort zone and I just played around with some colors, and this is the look that I created. I just went with the flow, and this is the look that I created. I did two lip combos, so I did a nude lip and then this like red glossy lip color. I'm super excited to show you guys what I came up with, which obviously was this, but like I'm excited to show you guys how I created the makeup look is basically what I'm trying to say. If you want to see how I did this makeup look holiday inspired, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply some of this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist just to hydrate my face even more. I already did my skincare routine and eye cream and everything, so I did that off camera. This stuff is amazing. I apply this like all year round if my skin is dry, or if I just want like some illumination on my skin. This stuff is awesome. This is like my second bottle that I purchased from Sephora. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of Carmex. Now that we have a clean slate, hydrating slate, I'm going to apply some foundation on, which is a huge shocker. I am not one who normally wears foundation. I hate the way it feels, and I'm not a fan of it, but since we're doing like a holiday makeup look, I want my skin to look a little even, I guess you could say, because I do have some blemishes going on. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit of foundation, nothing like overboard or anything. So I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick, and I'm in the shade Y245. So just going to blend this in with this foundation brush by BS Mall, and I got this off Amazon. It came in like a set of, I don't know, like 12 brushes. Wow, I haven't worn foundation forever, and I like this foundation because it's really lightweight and it covers pretty well. It's also buildable, so if I wanted more coverage, I can totally build it up to high coverage or full coverage. But honestly, like, this is pretty good for me. I don't like to cover my skin completely. I do like my skin and my makeup to look as smooth and like natural as possible, but just gonna apply a tiny bit of foundation. I haven't worn it in a very long time, and I think today's an exception for me to put some on. And I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I am using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers besides the Maybelline concealers. This is in the shade Light 2.3 Madeline. This concealer is awesome. I love it. I don't really know what makeup look I'm going for today. I'm honestly just winging it. So I'm hoping this turns out very nice because it's been a while since I played with makeup and curious to see what look I create. Alright, to set my concealer, I'm going to be using this cute little Kat Von D translucent powder. I love this stuff. So awesome. Just gonna pick some up on my beauty sponge and just tap that into my concealer. Now I'm just going to go back in with my Nars concealer and just kind of cover up any extra redness that's peeking through my foundation. And then to kind of top off my foundation, I'm going to go in with this Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation in the shade Light 48. I've already hit pan on this. This is one of my favorite powders. I'm just going to like dust it over my skin. Alright, now for the fun part, I'm gonna start working on my eyes. So I think the two palettes I'm probably gonna be using today are both by Too Faced. This is the Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. This is what it looks like. This is like one of my very first palettes besides the Naked 2 palette. And then I have a newer palette. It's the Chocolate Gold Bar palette, and this is the newer one, I guess, at least for me. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Nougat or Nugget. Nougat. I think it's Nougat because Nugget is N-U-G-G-E-T. So I'm gonna call it Nougat. And I'm just kind of like work this into my crease as like a transition color. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Butter Pecan, and I'm going to apply that on my brow bone. And now I'm kind of just going with the flow on what colors I want. I know I want to go for like a silver color because I normally always do gold in my previous makeup videos, so I think I want to try and work with silver this year. I might do another transition color before I apply some silver, so I'm going to go in with the Chocolate Gold Bar palette and I'm going to use this shade. It's called Cocoa Truffle. And I'm gonna keep this towards the lower part of my crease. I don't really want to bring it up too high. Now I'm just going to like blend all of this together. I have nothing on my brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's called Rich Girl. I'm gonna go in with my ring finger. Yep, this definitely screams Christmas to me. Now, I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Double Take eyeliner, I think what it's called. It's the one that has like the double eyeliner. So on one side, it has the felt tip or the liquid liner, and then on this side it has like the pencil. So I'm going to line my upper and lower waterline. Okay, so my lower lash line, I'm just gonna go about like halfway. I don't like to go all the way in because it makes my eyes look small, and I don't want them to look small. I want them to look open and big. Ooh. Okay, now I want some eyeliner on the top, but I don't want like black. I don't know. I have this really pretty eyeliner from Urban Decay. It's the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Stash. And this is really pretty like olive green color. I don't know how that would look. Okay, I really like that. I'm actually going to put, I started to already like use it, but I'm going to kind of just be sloppy. Now I have glitter all on my face. I hate that. Let's see if I can. I don't really know how to fix that, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm just taking my foundation brush and just like taking off the glitter and then wiping it on my palm. And it's kind of working. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna go in with any like extra glitter that I have and like tap over the eyeliner. I'm going to add some mascara. This is the Voluminous Carbon Black mascara by L'Oreal. I think I'm gonna apply some false lashes, but before I do that, I'm going to apply some bronzer. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. For my false lashes, I'm just going to be using the Ardell Wispies. These are my favorite ones. You can get them from Walmart, Walgreens, Target. And then I'm just going to be using some of this Kiss Lash Glue. I'm like, can't talk correctly today. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 lip combos today. I just wiped off my chapstick, which is why my lips are red. I'm gonna do like a nude shade and then a really fun red shade. So for the nude shade, I'm gonna take this NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural. And then I'm going to take this lip color by Tarte. It's the lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. Okay. I think I'm gonna do like a little pop of silver in my corner, eyelid corner. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. So this actually came out really fun. I love how this looks. I don't think I've ever done like a silver holiday look on my channel before, so I wanted to kind of try something different. I'm gonna zoom out because but I love how this came out. I'm like digging the silver and the nude. I think nude would definitely work out with this makeup look. However, if you want to make it a little more festive, then you can do a red. I'm actually going to do a red lip combo, like I said, because I was doing 2 lip combos. So this is the nude lip, and then I'm going to apply the red lip combo. I'm just going to like take this off real quick. Okay, now that I took off my nude lipstick, I'm going to put on the red lip combo, and I'm going to use this NYX lip pencil in the shade Hot Red. Okay, so you can either leave this lip color on like this to keep it matte, or you can add some gloss. I'm gonna take this Maybelline lip elixir in the shade Signature Scarlet. These are really moisturizing. And that is the red lip combo. Let me know in the comments which lip combo you guys like best. I don't know. I really like both of them. That is it for this holiday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like I said, comment down below which lip combo is your favorite. Do you like the nude or do you like the red lip combo? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas video. Bye guys.